Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 3 marks. Let's look at the question. In the figure shown below, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so they've given that DE is parallel to BC. Now find the coordinates of point E and show your work and give valid reasons. Okay, so let's find out how to solve this question. Now this question uses two concepts from two different lessons. That is, one is from triangles and the other is from coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's find out how to solve it. Now let me first find out the ratio in which the point D divides the line AB. Okay, so in order to find the ratio in which, let me take the ratio of AD by DB as k is to 1. Okay, so let's find out that ratio. So in order to do that, let me find the coordinates of D using section formula. Okay, so using section formula, the formula would be k times x2 plus 1 times x1 divided by k plus 1, comma k times y2 plus 1 times y1 divided by k plus 1. Now where do we get the values of x2, x1 and etc.? Okay, so x1 we know will be the x coordinate of point A, which is -4. X2 is the x coordinate of point B. Y1 is the y coordinate of point A and y2 is the y coordinate of point B. Okay, now let's substitute. Also we know that the coordinates of D is already -6 comma -1. So I can equate -6 comma -1 to k times x2, which is -7, minus 1 times 4 divided by k plus 1, comma k times y2, which is -3, plus 1 times y1, which is 3 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so that gives me -6 comma -1 is equal to -7k minus 4 by k plus 1, comma -3k plus 3 by k plus 1. Now we could equate either the x coordinates or the y coordinates together and you can find the value of k from it. Okay, so right now I'm using the x coordinates of both sides. So -7k minus 4 divided by k plus 1 I know is equal to -6. Let me cross multiply. So I'll get -7k minus 4 is equal to -6 times k plus 1, or -7k minus 4 is equal to -6k minus 6. Okay, let me bring all the terms to, the k terms to one side and the numbers to the other side. So that gives me -7k plus 6k is equal to -6 plus 4. Okay, so that's minus k equal to -2, or the value of k is equal to 2. Therefore, the ratio is 2:1. Now they've given in the question that DE is parallel to BC. Now DE is given to be parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC by Basic Proportionality Theorem. Okay, so this is where the second lesson comes into play. Okay, we are using a theorem from the lesson Triangles, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Okay, so basically now the point E divides AC in the ratio 2:1 as well. Okay, so now we need to find the coordinates of E, which we can find out using section formula again. Okay, so I'm just drawing the line A, C, and then the point E here, which is dividing it in the ratio 2:1, just so that we can do the question a little easily. Okay, so let me apply section formula to find the coordinates of E. Coordinates of E will be equal to 2 times 8 plus 1 times -4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma 2 times -5 plus 1 times 3 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so that gives me 16 minus 4 by 3, comma minus 10 plus 3 by 3. So that's equal to 12 by 3, comma minus 7 by 3, which is 4, comma -7 by 3. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.